Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making some honey butter garlic chicken. So I'm using chicken breasts. I'm just cutting them up into small pieces. Once I was done with that, I'm just going to season the chicken. Now I'm just mixing it up really well, and then I'm going to pour the flour in a bowl. Now it's time to put oil in the pan. Oh, and I noticed I forgot to put an egg in the chicken, so that's what I'm doing now. And then I'm just going to mix it up and put the chicken in the flour to start frying. So I'm just flipping them over, and then I put some more in once it was done. And now it's time to make the sauce. So I'm just going to be putting butter in the pan. Okay, so I'm just using some minced garlic and I'm just going to add it in. Now I'm just going to mix it up a little bit, then add some honey in, and then give it another mix. And then I'm going to be adding the chicken in. Once the chicken was nice and coated, I just went ahead and took it out the pan and put it on a plate.